Now, you might be wondering what Jaaxy is. A lot of people talk about it, and how exactly is it related to Wealthy Affiliate? So, Jaaxy is a keyword research tool that is fully integrated within Wealthy Affiliate that shows you the data of searches your audience is making. So, keyword research is really the key skill that will make or break your affiliate marketing blogging business. So, using Jaxxy, basically you can figure out what your audience is searching for on Google, and then you can create content to answer their questions or solve their problems. So this way, you don't actually have to sell anything to someone. People are already searching for products and services, and you just have to show up when they search for it on Google and recommend something to them. So this recommendation would usually be in the form of an affiliate link so you can earn commissions because you're reverse engineering what people already want. The conversion rate for this type of marketing is also very high. So using Jaaxy to do good SEO research can really make or break your affiliate marketing blogging business. Now, in the premium plan, Jaxxy helps you do basic keyword research, so it's called Jaxxy Lite. But if you want all the bells and whistles to give yourself the best chance of being found in search results, then Premium Plus would unlock those tools for you, and it's called Jaxxy Enterprise. So this would really give you that edge that you need to beat your competition. Now, if you want to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, then you can use the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now, if you're wondering how to actually use Jaaxy, because chances are you probably have no idea how to do SEO research or use a tool like Jaaxy, then you might be wondering whether or not Wealthy Affiliate has any training on how to use Jaaxy. So I'm going to tell you all about that. Just click the video showing up on your screen.